Word of warning, risers. Okay, you're going to fit some big bars. You have got, say you got 17s, you got this much, these are 15, you got 15 inch of leverage trying to snap or pull that bar apart. Okay, so it's very important. A couple of people have been killed with these shitty Chinese things. Okay, this is one of our risers. It's steel, chrome plated. Believe me, you could lift the bike with this thing. In fact, you could lift 10 tons with it. That's bolted down. Okay, this is Mr. Wong's specials. Okay, just listen to the shit metal. See inside, die cast crap. Okay, it's supposed to be CNC. You can see all the lines there. There's no way that's CNC. Okay, also the threads, absolute garbage, very narrow. You know, these are proper deep UNC threads. Okay, Chinese, obviously this is metric bloody thing, but the worst one of the lot, this, I mean, you cannot believe someone would actually put these on a bike. By the time they've drilled that to here, this sidewall here must be about 1/8 of an inch thick, if that. Just look how thin that is to the bolt. Okay, these are not safe at all. Now, a lot of people are buying this shit on eBay. I bought them just to prove, when people were saying I can buy them on eBay for 30 quid, what a load of fucking rubbish they are. Okay, do not even think about putting these things on your bike. They will kill you. And people have been killed. Funeral for one not long ago. Okay, don't even fit properly. I mean, look at that, totally different diameter. But if you imagine how thin that is, that screw is going into there maybe. You are looking at nothing holding your bars. You know, dangerous. Amazed that eBay allows some of this shit to be sold, and there's more of it coming over. Okay, buy some decent stuff like we do. These are custom chrome, top of the range risers, solid steel, you know, way more than 10 of those things. But when you've got your big bars on, especially 20-inch apes, something like that, believe me, you don't want anything that's plastic, shitty metal. It's got to be safe. If you're interested in any proper bars, proper risers or whatever, you know, failing or whatever bars, you know, wild one, chubbies, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.